Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find every secret items in Dress to Impress in the winter update. So let's just get started. The first one, if you want to find this dress in here, you can find under the Lana nail station the first dress in here, the first secret items. And the second one is the gingerbread costume. This is the from the winter update. You can find it at the top of this table or drawer under these cookies. And the next one here behind this one of the boxes in the winter update items, you'll find this dress. And next one is the hot dog costume. You can find it here beside this drawer. And then the last items, you can find the cupcake costume in front of the dressing room, this one. So that's the spot to find the secret items in Dress to Impress winter update. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.